If you care about improving your presentation skills, this is something you might want to pay attention to, because our industry has a conference and it's bigger than I ever imagined. Now just a heads up, this is not a sponsored video, I just wanted to share it since it's so closely related to what we're doing on the channel here. Now I'm talking about Present to Succeed, the largest presentation skills conference in the world. And it's one full day dedicated to the craft of presentation skills. And that's what I love most about it, since it's not just a business event with one sort of session about storytelling, it's a full day dedicated to presentation skills. And I'm talking about all the overarching topics like design, delivery, storytelling, AI trends, all brought to you by industry leaders, which is pretty impressive. And all of this is happening on May 21st in the Olympia in London. A venue, if you've never been there, that looks fantastic and is exactly made for this sort of event. Now the good thing is that if you can't make it in person, you can also follow it online to really get all of the information and the sessions in. And this is where I believe the conversations are had, where the industry is really heading and where you want to position yourself if you want to stay on that forefront, not just on design, but also on delivery, on the tools, all of these things that make sense. I'll be going myself in person as well, and if I look at the materials, the after movies of previous events, this I think is the 6th edition already, first time in London, so it's getting more international, and it just feels right. If you look at the visuals, if you look at the quality, well, it just feels right. So I'm really looking forward to it, and I've seen many of the other Microsoft PowerPoint MVPs that will be speaking, that will be attending. So if you decided or if you want to go, don't forget to reach out, and I hope we can break this YouTube barrier and we can maybe finally meet in person. That would be really awesome. Now, I've also been in contact with the organizer, so I've received an affiliate link, which you can find in the description below. And if you use the code SANDER15, you get a 15% discount on your tickets, both in person as well as online. Now, keep in mind, this is an affiliate link, so I might earn a small commission on it, but you don't have to use it. You can always just pay full price if you like that. There's no extra cost to you. If you're going, definitely let me know in the comments or reach out to me, and I'd love to meet you there. Thanks for watching.